Hello everyone. So in this video, let us discuss about some important topics on diesel engine. Here the terms relating to the IC engine, that is internal combustion engine. This is the layout of the typical IC engine, internal combustion diesel engine. It consists of diesel cylinder head. In the cylinder head, it consists of intake manifold, exhaust manifold, that is a inline valve and outlet valve. Then it consists of the fuel injector. Because of it is a diesel engine, it consists of the fuel injector and top dead center, bottom dead center and piston. This is the cylinder. Here some important terms let me discuss. Bore, it is the inside diameter of the cylinder. It is the inside diameter of the cylinder. Then stroke, the linear distance along the cylinder axis between the two limiting position. That means the distance between the movement of the piston from top dead center to the bottom dead center. It is called a stroke. Then top dead center, it is the topmost position of the piston. It's the topmost position of the piston towards the cover end side of the cylinder. Then bottom dead center, it is the lowest position of the piston. It is the lowest position of the piston towards the crank end side of the cylinder. Then clearance volume, the volume contained in the cylinder above the top of the piston when the piston is at TDC. Then swept volume, the volume swept through by a piston in moving from TDC to BDC. So the total volume is the swept volume plus clearance volume. It is called total volume. Then compression ratio, denoted by the R, the ratio of total cylinder volume to the clearance volume. For the petrol engine, the compression ratio ranges are 5:1 to the 9:1. For a diesel engine, the compression ratio ranges are 14:1 to the 22:1. So this is the 4-stroke diesel engine cycle. There are 4 strokes. The first one is the intake or suction stroke. During the suction stroke, the piston moves from the top dead center to the bottom dead center, creating the vacuum inside the cylinder. Intake valve opens, allowing only air to enter the cylinder, and the exhaust valve remains closed during the suction stroke. The another stroke is the compression stroke. Here the both valves are closed. The piston moves from the bottom dead center to, that means BDC to top dead center, compressing the air to the compression ratio, that is 22:1. The compressing the air to this extent, it increases the temperature inside the cylinder to above the 600 degree centigrade. Then expansion or power stroke. This is the third stroke. Both valves stay closed. When the piston is at the end of the compression stroke, that is top dead center, the injector consists in the cylinder head. It sprays the mist of the diesel fuel into the cylinder. When the hot air mixes with the diesel fuel, an explosion takes place inside the cylinder. Expanding gases, it push the piston from the top dead center to the bottom dead center. Exhaust stroke, piston moves from bottom dead center to the top dead center. The exhaust valve opens and the exhaust gases escapes. Intake valve remains closed. So that 4-stroke diesel engine working is based on these 4 strokes: intake or suction strokes, compression strokes, expansion or power stroke, and exhaust stroke. Consider the 2-stroke diesel engine. Here, instead of valve, we are using the port. Instead of valve, we are using the port because it is a 2-stroke diesel engine. Here, the power stroke, the revolution of crankshaft, we can get the 2 power outputs, the 2 revolution of crankshaft. So this is the layout of the typical diesel power plant. The typical power plant, it consists of the fuel storage tank, filters, then for air supply, air compressor, filter, starting of the air, and the diesel generator, the silencers, and the cooling tower for condensing the this heat and heat exchanger. These are the main components of the diesel power plants. The essential elements of diesel power plants are engine system, starting system, lubrication system, fuel system, air filter and supercharge system, cooling system, exhaust system and the governing system. So in the next session, we will discuss the one by one systems with a clear explanation. Thank you.